In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create radial gradient background in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a few clicks. A radial gradient is a smooth blend that radiates from a central point outward, and it's perfect for adding depth and a soft spotlight effect behind text, photos, or icons. With your design open in Canva, we'll start right on the canvas and work from there. First, make sure the background of your page is selected. Click directly on the blank area of your canvas, not on any text or image. When the background is correctly selected, you'll see a color tile appear in the top toolbar. If you click and something else highlights, that means another element is selected. Just try clicking an empty area again until you see that background color tile active. This step is important because changing the background color affects the entire page, not just a single element. Next, click the color tile in the toolbar to open Canva's color panel. This panel shows your recent or document colors, brand colors if you have them, and a set of ready-made options. Think of this panel as your control center for the look and feel of your background. If you're preparing a design that needs to match a certain palette, it helps to have your brand or theme colors handy, but you can always experiment and fine-tune later. Now, in the color panel, look for the section labeled Default Gradient Colors. This is where Canva gives you pre-built gradients, including radial options. Choose a radial gradient swatch you like. The radial styles will create that soft, circular glow from the center, which is ideal for drawing the eye to headlines or product shots. The moment you click a swatch, your page updates instantly so you can judge the overall mood. If you want a softer, more atmospheric look, pick a gradient with lighter tones in the center and slightly darker tones on the edges. For bolder, more dramatic designs, try higher contrast or richer hues. After applying a gradient, you can refine the colors by selecting the gradient again and choosing different color chips from the panel, keeping your text legible by testing dark on light or light on dark combinations. That's all there is to it. Click the background, open the color panel, and choose a radial gradient from the default gradient colors. With these quick actions, you've transformed a flat canvas into a polished professional backdrop that elevates your entire design.